What's up guys, this is Royal Prince Gamer and welcome to another episode of Survival Gameplay Episode 3. Yay! So today I would just go find caves and go mining because I can't find any damn caves. So okay, let's start our adventure. Oops. Hey Roger! Oh, I got the sheep. I got the sheep fish. If you want to kill an animal and it just keeps running away, just do it like this. Come on here, Roger. Roger, come on here. See? Told you. So let me just kill Roger. There we go. Okay. Oops, let me eat for a while. Oh look, there's a spider. Hey Mrs. Spider. Spidey. So we got a stream. Let's get these coals. Oh, the bugs. Every time. Oh my god. Whoa. Did you see that? I just continue mining here. Excuse me. So my iron pickaxe is almost gone. It's almost broke. But don't worry, I have enough iron to make another one. Excuse me. Well, oh my god, a creeper. Watch this. I'm going fishing. Oops, sorry. I got a creeper fish. And it's so cute. Kaboom! And nothing happened. See? Oh shoot. It was something. Number one, best thing to do when you cannot climb and you got extra blocks, use them. Just continue going to this cave. Hope I find a new one. If I just had a TNT, I would blow up a cave. Sorry about that. Let me just remove this. And let's continue playing. Oh, MCP isn't responding anymore. So sorry guys. Oh. Okay, we're back. Okay. Ooh, how'd you get here? I think let's go climb every mountain and see if there's a cave. So yeah, okay. By the way, it's night here in the Philippines. Good evening to all Filipinos out there. Yes, I know. It's past my bedtime. I'm just joking. There's no class tomorrow, so I didn't make a video tonight. So yeah, Wait, is that what? Is that what I think it looks like? Let's go see. Ow. I just know there's a cave right here. It's because there's a waterfall. So, I'm so sorry if sometimes my voice can't be heard because it's the mic. Yeah. I'm so sorry. By the way, just keep trying to make my voice louder, but my voice just doesn't want to be loud enough. So I wish you could hear me. So still finding some caves. Oh, I remember this. Did we just eat? A floating something, eh? Maybe at night I'll just turn off the difficulty and keep on adventuring and stop mining for a while, because you know that, don't mine at night. Now, so I'm not a dumbass anymore. I'm not dumb enough to fall here. You need to be like a ninja. Lag, 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 lag. Lag, 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 lag. So much lagging. So here's what's behind the mountain. So if you go walk around there, you can just go find my house. So why did I just took around the mountain? So many animals around here. Oh, I hope it is like in a lava. Let's go here. No, it's too dangerous. I don't want to. I just want to be near my house where I know where it is. Let's go here. Here's another mountain, and here's the back of it. Oops. Okay, guys. Really sorry. It's because I use my tablet as recording, editing. Dude, wait. Is that my house? I just... Is that my house? I just went around the mountains. I'm so dumb. Dumb. Sorry about that. Okay. I just went around the mountains. Okay, let's go by the forest. So, I don't want to cross the river. Maybe we can find something in the forest. Let's go. People just keep chatting me. It's because I'm not famous. Okay, let's just continue our adventure. Let's just wait for MCB to respond. Sorry guys. Okay, so... I was thinking about singing while MCB hasn't responded. So, good thing it responded, so... MCB respond and it just saved your life. Morning. On my next episode, when I end this episode, I will find a cave. And yeah, on my next episode, I would go to the cave in mine. By the way, when MCP isn't responding, I'll go sing. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. Let it go. And okay, let's go. MCP doesn't want to hear my voice. By the way, I got my YouTube channel back, so please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and suggest or leave a comment of what video am I gonna do, like any tutorial tips, something like that, just because I'm bored. So if I was able to find a server or make a server or something, I would like to go collab or SMP. In other words, survival multiplayer. So it's a brand new day. A whole new world. Oh, Prince, stop singing. Okay, so let's go to the forest. You never know what's in the forest. Oh. So I just keep on going straight. So if I'm going back home, I'm just going to keep going back home. Let me just eat for a while. By the way, I have so many foods. Another mountain to eat. Sorry about that, guys. People are just active tonight. So many people are keep chatting. So sorry about that. By the way, as you can see, there are 2 died sheep. So I'm going to kill it. While waiting for the MCP to respond, I'll go sing. Let it go. Okay, good thing it just responds. So let's kill this sheep. It has light gray. I have light gray and I think a light gray and a brown. Yep, it's brown. Yeah. But first, let me kill the See? There's a creeper and a baby fish. So please explore. Boom. I just want to be safe with the baby zombie. Oh, just kaboom! Where's the baby zombie at? Am I safe? Am I safe? Okay, let's go. Oh shoot! 2 baby zombies! Let me just turn off the difficult for a while. Oh, almost died on that.